Anuva is a story. It's a story about two tax practitioners, a fund manager, and some entrepreneurs who got together and decided that they would take up government's challenge to invest in the small and medium-sized sector and get the tax breaks that government rewards with that investment, and to really see if we can invest in companies that are going to move the needle in terms of number of jobs created. We have to date raised 275 million rand, and that money is invested over 11 businesses, and in the process of that investment we've created approximately 350 jobs. So the focus of Anuva is to really embrace the spirit of 12J, to positively impact employment in this country by investment in the small and medium-sized sector. Typically we're looking for a business that has a very good business model and an opportunity for extraordinary growth. Our approach is to stabilize that business, review the structures, restructure the balance sheet, restructure the management, and create a platform for significant growth. What is very wise about the legislation that government has put in place is 12J operates on a equity model. In other words, we're not looking at loan capital into these businesses which carry a heavy interest burden. We're looking at shareholder capital, equity investments, which is patient money. It waits there until there's dividends to be distributed, and that's when the return goes to shareholders. So we're not overburdening the companies that we're investing in with debt and with cash flow needs to service interest. My personal passion is job creation, and this is where I think we can really change the future of this nation. There's a perception that the future is something that is going to overwhelm us at a point in time. This nation is extraordinary in that we have the ability to overcome the challenges that we've been confronted with over the last 30 or 40 or 50 years. So the future is in fact not something that overwhelms us. The future is something that we create by our actions today. By investing in 12J, by investing in small and medium-sized enterprises, by creating jobs, we're in fact stabilizing this country and taking away the threats of crime, unemployment and poverty. From a shareholder perspective, we take your investment very seriously. There's a lot of internal processes to make sure that your money is well managed, that before we make an investment, a thorough due diligence is done, and it's our objective to give you consistently a dividend yield on your investment. The risk of one of our investee companies failing is very low, particularly because we have very strong balance sheets. So even a negative trend in profitability, we have the time to study, analyze, strategize, restructure the business, and get the positive cash flows going again. So if you're looking for an opportunity to invest in the future of this country, to invest in the lives of the people who are at this stage without jobs, to invest in businesses that will create employment, and where your money is well respected and well looked after, Anuva Investments is really worth considering. This is a company that will shift the needle on job creation in this country.